Hey everybody, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be doing a whole house. It was super messy. Clean with me today, so I hope this is motivating for y'all. If you have any cleaning you need to get done today, or you got some homemaking you want to do, just play this play this video in the background and get your cleaning done with me. So we're gonna start off in my bathroom in our bedroom, and I'm using the Love Make spray to wipe down the mirror, and then I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner to do my sink and my toilet area.
Smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love.
So I recently got some feedback that the music was louder than my voice when I'm talking. So please let me know in the comments down below if when you are watching or listening to this video that the music you're not having to turn the volume up and down in between. But I have started doing the voiceover, so hopefully that helps it out a little bit better. And I have turned down the volume significantly with the music, so hopefully everything is a little bit even now. It's hard for me on my end to know because I don't have any issues when I'm watching it, but I know that some of you have said that, so please let me know if the audio is okay for y'all, because that's a big deal, isn't it? But I'm just vacuuming up the floor now, and then we're going to get into the bedroom. The bed was pretty much already made, so I'm just going to add my pillows and my blanket to this. If I get super hot at night, I have to throw the blanket off. But then I'm going to wipe down my little white table right here.
Yeah, I feel the weight on my shoulders. Know that I regret it. Hope I can repay you for what I've done. Know that I regret it. Hope we find our way back to love. 'Cause it's you and me. Yeah, we fought, but we tried to make everything better. You
that my bedroom's done, I'm going to be using my own room spray. This one's my Autumn Leaves room spray. If you want one of these, I still have some in the smaller sizes on my Etsy shop, so I'll just leave that link down below for y'all. But it smells so good. It's just a very clean smell. So I'm going to be using that throughout the house today whenever I get done cleaning up a room. But now I'm going to be getting all of these mats in the washing machine so I can get them cleaned.
I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head, out of my head. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head, out of my head. I got time.
So if you are cleaning along with me, I just want to let you know that we are almost to the halfway mark. We have about 8 minutes left in this video. Of course, I'll have videos that you can click on after this one if you still need some cleaning motivation. But we're about halfway through now, so hopefully you're getting some stuff done. If you are, tell me down below in the comments what you got cleaned today.
Let me give it all to you. Let me give it all to you. I've been fighting everything you'll be, 'cause everything you'll be is changing me, and I can't seem to get you out of my head, out of my head.
So all I had in the washing machine were these mats and a few kitchen cloths. So I'm just going to hang dry all of this, and it kind of feels good to not have to turn on my dryer and use up a lot of electricity too. So I'm just gonna let them air dry.
Let me give it all to you. Wanna give it all to you. Let me give it all to you. Give it all to you. Let me give it all to you.
So these are the two hot spots in my house, the living room and the kitchen, because we live in these two rooms the most. So I'm just giving you an overview now, and we're going to get this cleaned up.
Let me give it all to you. Wanna give it all to you. You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time, all of my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release it.
I hate to interrupt this awesome song, but do y'all like my voiceover voice? I feel like a news anchor. I want to interrupt this news broadcast for a special announcement. Anyways, I was using the Method antibacterial spray on the counters. I just thought I would let y'all know what I was using in case you're new here and you were curious what cleaning products I've been using. That is the one I use on the kitchen counters.
I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 So we jumped, falling fast. Said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of the weekend. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wake up at your place. Wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
I'm in the living room now, and it is a mess over here, so I'm going to go ahead and get this room straightened up a little bit, and then I'm going to vacuum in here as well.
We can get white walls with big windows up on the third floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
So here's the living room, how it looks when it's done, and the kitchen is all cleaned up. I'm so happy. I did turn on the stove, the oven, if y'all can see that. It's not by accident. I was going to heat up pizza after this. I'm using the champagne toast candle from Bath & Body Works. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you need more cleaning motivation, there will be some little videos on the screen right here for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you back here probably tomorrow. Bye!